Hello beautiful peoples, welcome back to another tutorial of Golang for Absolute Beginner course. And in this tutorial we will learn about methods. So first of all I am creating a file methods.go. I already have a code template for methods, so I have copied that code and pasted into the Visual Code editor. So let's see, first of all let's see how this code is working. So first of all I have created a package main, then I have import fmt module. After that I have created a struct. In my previous tutorial of map and structs, you can learn about structs, right? So go through that tutorial first if you want to learn about struct. So I have created an author struct, right? uh, in that struct I have passed four values: names, branch, particles and salary, right? And name is of string type, branch is of string type, particles is of int type, and salary is of int type. So this is my method which, this method is this is a method with a receiver of author type, right? And this method is known as show. In this method we will show all the properties of struct, right, to the console. So in my next tutorial we will discuss about what is difference between functions and methods. So first of all just get the idea of how method works. So as you can see in this code base I have created a function of receiver author. I have named it as A because I want to use it in within the show method, right? So that's how I use it within the show method. I have created fmt.println 4 times and call all the values, right, which I will pass within that struct when I will pass the show method. When I call invoke the show method and pass all the structs, say, and when I execute the show method, all these fmt.println line will execute and show value to the terminal, right? And this is my main function. In my main function I have initialized the values of author struct, right, and created a variable response. In this variable, okay, so this variable will consist of my method because I have attached a receiver of author type to it, right? When I will add values to the struct, then I will be able to call or invoke that method by using the response which was returned after passing the value to the struct, right? So I have passed uh, all the values to the struct, then I am calling the method, right? Very easy. First of all, uh, for a function, for a method, it is required that we need to add a receiver type, right? Then we will name then we will need to add our method name, right? For example, in this example we have a receiver type of author A, and then we named function as show. After passing value to our struct and getting the response, we can then invoke the method, right? So let's see in the terminal. So first of all let me rename the file to methods, which is our topic, right? So let's see. See, it returns author name Sona, branch name CSE, published article 203 and salary is 34000, right? So that's how method works. For a method it is compulsory to have a receiver type, right? And by using the response of that receiver type, we can invoke the method, right? So this is very easy example. I tried my best to be as simple as possible because it is very tough to understand method in Go programming language, right? So in our next tutorial we will learn about function versus method and what is the actual difference between them, right? So before jumping to our next tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.